Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the vlog. I am going to do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys today, but before we do the unboxing, I'm actually going to go do my workout. Typically on the weekends, I don't do any workouts. I do have an active rest day on the Sunday, which means I'll go for like a 45-minute to 1 hour walk. However, yesterday I did that, and today I'm gonna actually do my full workout for Monday, because on Monday I'm actually going to dye my hair. So this is going to be the last time you see my hair this color, because I'm actually kind of sick of it. I think I'm gonna go do something a little bit more, maybe a little bit more on the brown side, but stay tuned because I'm gonna take you guys with me for that. Obviously I'm still blonde right now. However, I think I'm going to change that up tomorrow. I have an appointment with Ronald and he's gonna cut and dye my hair. I think I might cut a little bit more than usual off, or maybe like that much, not too much. I really like when my hair is nice and long like this, but a lot of the ends are dead. Anyways, let me go do my workout and then I will come back and we're going to do an unboxing. Alright guys, I am all showered up. I finished my workout. My hair is looking a little bit greasy, but it doesn't matter because I'm actually getting it done tomorrow like I mentioned earlier. Let's unbox some of these packages, because some of them I received as PR, some of them I bought myself. So let's get started. So the first thing I got was actually from Knix Fashion, which if you guys follow my channel then you would know that I've worked with Paul before. Knix Fashion is a local Toronto business as well. Paul has these beautiful handbag chains. They are such high quality. I think I still have a discount code with him down below. I think it's linked in the description, but he released two new chains. This is the candy box chain 9mm in the 44-inch crossbody, and then this one I think is the candy box chain 9mm 28-inch. I'm gonna feature them in a video very soon, but they are gorgeous. And Paul actually gifted me like a little bit of a extra gift. So Paul, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You didn't have to do that at all. Then from Mejuri, I purchased this during their Yorkdale store opening because I've been eyeing this piece for a long time and I had to get it shipped to me, but they didn't have it in stock. So this is the Claude X Mejuri collaboration. This one is the arch vessel in natural stone. It is marble natural and it is completely stunning. I'm literally so obsessed with this thing. It looks gorgeous. I'm gonna display my jewelry in this. I just need to find a really beautiful spot to put this in this room, but it's really nice. It says Mejuri X Claude there. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it says it right there. But yeah, I haven't had time to like find a spot for it, so it's just been sitting in the box that it came in. Merit, I grabbed Blush Balm, just some new minimal makeup. You guys know I'm a very minimal makeup kind of girl. A Day Glow highlighting balm, a complexion stick, a new brush, and a bronze balm. And I don't think I've used their bronze balms before, so I'm excited to try this out. So this might be one of their newer, yeah, I've never used their bronze balms before, so I'm excited to try that out. Next items I got are from a local Toronto brand that is new to me. They focus on mental health, and I bought these things for my giveaway because I'm gonna have a 10K giveaway very soon. I just have been trying to plan it out. The brand is One-to-One Creations. This is a Black owned female business. We love to see it. Local Toronto brand. So she focuses her products on mental health and just self-care in general. So I purchased a couple candles and stuff for the giveaway. I'm not gonna expose what is what, but I'll give you a little sneak peek on what they look like because they are gorgeous. I believe she donates part of her sales to a mental health project, so it's really nice. She just really truly believes in, you know, mental health is very important, and I also do. As you guys know, I started seeing a therapist and everything like that, trying to change things in my life to better myself. So I really align with her brand. This one is, I believe, Refreshing Rose. So just a little bit of a quick preview for you guys. That's not all that you're gonna get, but I have two because I wanted to do like a two-person prize. So I have this and then like the main big prize that will go with the main winner. Anyways, I'm not gonna show you that obviously. And then from Sugar Moon, I actually am one of their new brand ambassadors. I don't know if this video is going to come out before or after, but I'm one of their new brand ambassadors. They actually did give me a code to use on services and products, so it is Hello Harley 2022. If you book in with that code, or if you check out with that code, you get 10% off. They gifted me a huge box of products to try, and I'm so excited because I typically use this sugar scrub. Like, I buy this thing all the time, and they replenished it for me. Thank you so much, Therese and Paola. So this is the blend, and I picked the scent myself. It is lime and tea tree. You can customize it. It smells so good. This is my favorite scent of all time. Also got a new balm from their line. They also sent me a revitalized enzyme exfoliating mask, which is really nice. I got a lot of new skincare, hyaluronic acid and eye cream, and they put these little cute pride stickers on there. A new tinted moisturizer, a facial cleansing cream, a body wash, which I use this all the time and I love, a skin relief, which is great for after sugaring, like 10 out of 10. And then they also sent me a hydrating moisturizer, which is much appreciated. I can't wait for you guys to see the video that I did with them. It will be out soon, but just a little teaser for you. And then lastly, I got something from Knix, which you guys know I love Knix. Ooh, this line came out during the summer, but I always wanted to test it out, so I'm very excited for these items. I got a NYX Basics Modal Short, which I've never tried before. I think this stuff is very similar or reminiscent to Skims. So I got a brown one. And then I got their little t-shirt as well. So I'm excited to use that as a set. That is completely it for the packages that I received this week. The before. So much better. Alright guys, I forgot to show you guys what my hair looks like. So here it is. It's looking a bit more ashy in like the sunlight. You can see here it looks very ashy and kind of blonde, but it actually is like an ash brown as opposed to an ash blonde. I'm in love with it. One thing I have to say is I'm so tired of like getting my hair done and sitting there for so many hours. It's a very much a first world problem, but I think I might eventually stop dyeing it. But right now I really like this color. I think it looks really nice. What do you guys think? I know it's looking blondish. It's not. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's not, but when I'm in the light, I think it just looks a lot lighter than it is. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!